In this video, we are going to fix acquiring license error in Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to reset your Microsoft cache. How we can do that, press Windows key and R key together so that you can open this small window called Run. Type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button to proceed. This will help you to diagnose the problem as well as fix it. Once you are done with the clearing for the junk files as well as the cache in your Microsoft Store, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then let's move on to the next step, and that is to do a system file checker. How we can do that at the search box, please type for CMD. And then after once you have typed it, you can see a best match. Please navigate to the right side and click on Run as administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Paste the command that I have given, which is sfc scan now at the YouTube description. Click on the enter key here and you can start the process eventually. Okay? So this process will take some time. Please be patient and wait until this would be done. And once you are done with this, please restart the PC and try to check if the error has been resolved. But if not, then I want you to proceed to the last solution, and that is to disable third-party antivirus. So if you have third-party antivirus running in your PC or is active in your PC, I want you to disable that, or as much as possible, I want you to uninstall that one because that might be the reason why you face an error. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.